Welcome to Lightweb Media's guide on SEO essentials for beginners. Whether you're launching a new venture online or seeking to elevate your existing site, understanding the foundational elements of SEO can transform your website from invisible to unmissable. By the end of this video, you'll have unlocked the strategies to boost your website's visibility and climb the search engine ranks, setting the stage for success in the digital world. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Venturing deeper into the realm of SEO, we uncover three mighty pillars that uphold the vast kingdom of digital visibility: content, backlinks, and user experience. Each pillar plays a crucial role in bolstering your website's authority and appeal to both search engines and users alike. High-quality, engaging content draws in readers, backlinks from reputable sites signal trustworthiness and authority, and a seamless user experience ensures visitors not only stay longer, but also return. Embarking on keyword research is akin to setting sail on a voyage across the vast seas of the internet, with the aim of discovering the exact phrases and questions that guide users to your digital shores. This critical expedition allows you to delve into the minds of your audience, understanding their needs, preferences, and the language they use to seek solutions. By identifying these key terms, you tailor your content to meet them at their point of search, ensuring your website's content resonates deeply and ranks prominently. Creating content that ranks requires a keen understanding of search intent, ensuring that every piece of content you produce directly addresses the queries and needs of your audience. Embedding your carefully researched keywords naturally within this content acts as beacons, guiding search engines to recognize the relevance and authority of your pages. Beyond mere visibility, content that ranks is characterized by its ability to engage, inform, and inspire action, turning visitors into loyal followers and customers. Building quality backlinks is akin to forging alliances in the medieval world, where each link serves as a seal of trust and endorsement from another domain in the vast digital landscape. These alliances signal to search engines that your content is not only valuable but also trusted by others, thus elevating your site's authority and ranking. The art of acquiring these backlinks involves creating content so compelling that others are naturally inclined to reference and share it. Additionally, engaging in community discussions, guest blogging, and leveraging social media can further expand your web of connections. Each quality backlink is a stepping stone towards establishing your site's reputation, enhancing its visibility, and securing its position as a trusted authority in your niche. Improving website technical health encompasses optimizing your site's speed, making it mobile-friendly, and securing it with HTTPS encryption. A fast-loading site invites visitors to stay and explore, while mobile optimization ensures accessibility for the ever-growing number of users on smartphones and tablets. Implementing SSL certificates fortifies your site's credibility and user trust by protecting data. Tools like Google's Page Speed Insights and Search Console are your loyal scouts, providing insights into areas of improvement and guarding against potential vulnerabilities. By maintaining robust technical health, your website not only pleases search engines but offers a seamless, secure experience for your visitors, encouraging their return. Alright, let's talk on-page SEO. Kind of like sprucing up your digital kingdom to roll out the red carpet for both visitors and search engines. Make those page titles and meta descriptions snappy and keyword-rich. Think of them as your site's welcoming handshake. Your heading tags? They're the hierarchy of your content's feast, guiding guests through the story you're telling. Don't overlook images. Name them descriptively and fill in that alt text to paint pictures for search engines too. Understanding your audience is about figuring out what makes your visitors tick, what questions they have, and how they like their information served. Use tools like Google Analytics to get a feel for their preferences and behaviors. Check out social media and forums where they hang out to listen in on their conversations. The more you know about your audience, the better you can create content that resonates with them. Monitoring and adjusting your strategy. Here's the scoop. Tools like Google Analytics are your best friends. They're like having a crystal ball, showing you how visitors interact with your site, what content they love, and where they bounce off. It's about spotting the trends, understanding the flows, and then tweaking your strategy based on what you see. Noticed a blog post doing exceptionally well? Maybe it's time to create more content around that topic. A page not getting the attention it deserves? Time to revisit your keywords or promote it differently. That wraps up our dive into SEO essentials. We've covered everything from the ground up, equipping you with the strategies to boost your site's visibility and engagement. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, tweaking, and growing. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights to navigate the digital world successfully.